Hello, good morning, everyone. I'm Kelvin from Raw and Search. Thank you for joining in. Today I'll be looking at Hang Seng Index trades. So as you can see right now, Hang Seng Index is already down for 199, 200 points. So I've not done any trades yet. So I'm just waiting for a good time for a good entry. Okay. So let me see. Let me turn on some music for everyone. My very own composed music. Data, video editing, sound. Beautiful day. So it's going down lower. So I'm not taking any trades yet. I'm just waiting for a good timing for a rebound. Today, what's my plan for this trades trading over here is I will do trades for a rebound up, and then another trades continuation of price out. Okay, so looking at this price movement, that might be a good trade. So there will be two trades. So I'm thinking whether should I go for a rebound trades from here. So far right now the range is 230, about 230 over here. So if it's 230, then one moment, I think everything just hang. Bit rate open, smooth streaming is not receiving enough video maintained. Basically my PC problem. Okay, then I give up, put this aside first. This stock I forgot. I want to reminds me of this. Okay, so right now let's take, I'm just waiting. Okay, done for that. So let's see, any reversal is coming. Should be in anytime, should be here anytime soon. So right now it's trading, I think, okay, it's time to go in for a rebound trade. Call, UB call over here. Let's see, outstanding doesn't show 18830, which is 300 points of buffer. That is great. The top UB doesn't show the what. How much is that? This one is put. Hey. Outstanding. Wow, this call outstanding is huge, a lot. Is there any call outstanding that is lesser? Oh yeah, I can trade. 68277. Let me check what's the outstanding here. Okay, other region, agree. 68277. Right, 68277. See how much is the outstanding. Funding cost, outstanding 0. Okay, great. I'll look for this. Yeah. Wait. Enhance limit. So I'm just gonna add market. Oh my god, so laggy. Okay, so today we got it at about 2.9. Just need to prepare for selling. So I need to watch this rebound, how far they can go. So the today price down is about 231. So I've done the entry. So we're expecting to have it back to maybe, but we need to check. If let's say less than that, it shows sign that they are not marking higher, then I will straight away go for an exit, okay, or a cut loss or early exit. Maybe up to here. So there should be about maybe about 80 points. So not much. I still need to check and see. So again, if let's say you want to open a trading account, there will be there is a QR code on the left side. So scan the QR code or maybe go to the link in the description box to open a trading account, and then I will share this Hang Seng Index day trading sharing for every one of you. Okay, so right now let's focus back into the market, showing a bit of sign that they are going to have a rebound over here. I find that the volume is a bit too loud for that. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a message or a comment. Today, this price up here is just a short term. I'm not expecting to take I'm not expecting to take a lot of what do you call it, the profit out from there. The reason is because the constituent value or stocks of it, constituent stocks of Hang Seng Index, today majority of them are actually going down. So I can show it to you, like Hang Seng Index, the constituents, majority of them are going down. I think it's only 3 is up and then 4 is actually unchanged only. So it's more towards to the bear market. So that's why I'm not expecting too much from this rebound trades. So far, not much of sign that is continuation. So we can see from here today's trade. Let's not leave here first. Oh my, it's too laggy. Hey, come here a bit. Yes, okay. So you guys can see this. And then this one here. All right. So where was I just now? I forgot what I said. I'm thinking that it will be just a small rebound, and then that's it. Then it will have a continuation of price down. So I just want to catch the small rebound. Or else, right now from here it continue goes down unless it's going for like 400 points of price down. Or else they need to mark the price back up higher before they throw the price down lower. Excuse me. If you look at the daily price of Hang Seng Index, okay, pardon me with all the chart there. The price down is actually pretty much confirmed. So if let's say today the opening price is actually at how much? 19355. So 19355, the fluctuation, if let's say goes down to 19041, is not I wouldn't say it is not able to happen. It can be happening, okay? But if let's say one shot they go all the way down to 190 plus today, then it means that it will have a fast rebound back up also. But right now we don't see that at the moment. So we need to see if let's say the planning is like this, okay? So right now we are entered into a rebound trades, okay? A rebound trade. So if we are in a rebound trade, in a very short rebound back up higher, so then we can expect the price to come back down to the total. Today the price down is about maybe 300 points. But if let's say right now they don't have a rebound, it goes all the way to about what, like 190 plus, then we need to wait until when it falls to this level, then we go for a rebound trade maybe, okay? So we need to take a look, wait and see. So we are at the back to the 1 minute charts here. If let's say they can't rebound from like this, then it's I am thinking and thinking and thinking. Okay lah. So I will continue to watch and see. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, all right, in the comment section. For this one here right now, what I'm thinking is it will have a bit of It's basically it's showing sign of bottoming, looking at the volume, everything itself. Should I go in for more? Since this one, I don't think I can make about like 100 points out from here. Let's see. Is this a departure or a failure? Our entry is here. So maybe some of you who are trading Hang Seng Index, you might be thinking like, eh, what is this? What is 68277 here? Okay, so most of the Malaysian, we use structure warrant to trade Hang Seng Index, right? So right now we don't do that anymore. For me, I don't do that anymore. The reason is because structure warrant, the price fluctuation is very little comparing to this CBBC. Okay, because it takes very long time. If let's say like Hang Seng Index move like maybe 100 points, then it only move like maybe few cents. But for CBBC, move like at least 10 ticks. Not at least, about 10 ticks. Okay, won't be, you know, 1-to-1 itself. Okay, so let's see. Launching up. So my way of trading is a bit different. I don't set any take profit target. I don't set any best entry price. But I have the best entry timing and take profit timing. So how I time that, I'm looking at just the price and volume itself. Okay, so it's very simple. You don't have to draw the lines. You don't have to use the laggy indicators that cause you losing some of your late entry, or maybe always get yourself trapped at the high side if let's say you are using like maybe resistant breakout or those. So this way I find it's much more easier and more reacting responsive to market changes of the price changes. So if you want to find out more, okay, you can open a trading account with me on the left side, scan the QR code, or maybe go to the description box to click the link and open a trading account with me. And then we'll start trading this CBBC here. I'll share with you how to analyze and add you into my Telegram chat group, so you can learn from there. So of course the brokerage fee I'm charging a little bit higher because I'll be sharing this to you every day. So it will be at 0.15% or 27 Hong Kong dollar per trade. Okay, so it's a little bit higher than the usual one, which is at 0.1%. Okay, so take it as a form of support, a token of support for me. If let's say I share with you some of the good trades, right? All right. So let's see. 2-time price up is not marking higher. So at this point it's 1981, 1918. So yeah, this 68277 over here is not a structured warrant. It is a CBBC. So it's not listed in Malaysia. It's not in KLCI or KLSE. It's in Hong Kong Exchange. So you don't need to have a huge fund to trade. So you can see today the one I trade over here is actually 29. The value is about like the cost is 0.029. So the underlying asset is actually Hang Seng Index. So Hang Seng Index, and then the one I bought is about 10,000 lot. Then 10,000 lot, no, 100,000 lot. 100,000 unit, sorry, 100,000 unit. So it's 2,900 Hong Kong dollar only. So in Malaysia ringgit, it's probably about like 1,600 or 1,700. I'm not sure. So you can actually start trading with very small amount of capital. That is a good thing, and the return is actually quite awesome, right? So take a look at it. So right now 30 cents. 30 cents. No, 3 cents. Sorry, 3 cents. Let me see any of the sign of reversal. because we are going against the trend, so that's why we have to be extra careful of that. So the account that I'm using, the trading platform that I'm using right now is actually M Plus Global. All right, so they offer a lot of variety of stocks. Okay, I would say the most stocks offer in Malaysia market, in Malaysia. Wait, let's see any comments are coming up. Okay, nothing here. So let's take a look at the price movement. And this is showing sign of price peak. Oh, it's back to 29. Wait a minute. Volume is high. From here, this is at what price? 1918. So I'm going down from here again, then it's going to hit the peak very soon. Bottom, sorry, not peak. Volume. Price up, price up, price up. I'm looking at right now, I'm checking this. Wait, I'm checking whether is it really a retrace or not a retrace. HSI index. Trying to have the volume. This one is not supported for what? This one doesn't have the volume. I remember this one has the volume. I forgot which one is it. This one is actually from FX Open, which is CFD. So Never mind, we look back into this one. Okay. I'm thinking of like maybe use a trading view to show you guys the volume, but I don't have the volume here right now. Okay. So I'm using another one to look at it. Okay. Having a bit of turbulence, and then right now it back down, showing a bit back up right now. Okay. Volume is building up, giving more gas to the aircraft, and then has a turbulence bump. No. Seems like it's moving up higher. The weather and the sky is a bit Let's see any questions coming up. Okay, nice. Am I blocking the QR code? I think like this better, right? Overall market is down, so I need to be extra careful with this so that I can make some profit out from here, and then at the same time go for reverse when they are ready to have a reversal. Press it back down fast, and then moving back up again, increasing the altitude. Is it called altitude? So when we are trading, try not to put any of our expectation into the trades, okay? If you look back into the trades that you have done earlier, you will find that most of the time why we are holding on to a lot of losses or the losses grow bigger is because our expectation is always put prioritizing on profit making. So when you're at the losing side, then you will start to have put in your own expectation that you want to have a profit, right? So when you want to have the profit, then you are going to blind yourself from all the analysis, all the information that is shown in front of you that is telling you there will be a reversal, or maybe there will be the price is going against you. Okay, so don't put any of your own expectation into any of the trades. It is very dangerous because that's why you are always get blindfolded with that. At the moment, we see the prices going down a little bit more, and maybe a little bit more. In the meantime, let me find some stocks. I mean, some of the, because later on I need to go into a put warrant. So right now this is a, sorry, not put warrant, bear CBBC. So right now this one we are looking at the core CBBC, right? So I need to look for some core bear CBBC. Bear CBBC, we have at this point with this, okay. Bear CBBC, we have see here. So all those with the RC are the core CBBC. So right now we just need to have put. So same old thing. I'm going to check. Of course, the expiry date is important, but we can see the CBBC expiry date is always like very long time, far away from that. So the active one are always like far away from it. So not always, but most of the time I see it's not like Malaysia structured warrant where only those that is close to the expiry date then is what you call that, then is actively traded, right? But this one is not. CBBC is not. So we can see strike price. If let's say we're going for a put, strike price 198, so it's far away from it, so it's still okay. And then outstanding is only like maybe 3 to 2%, 1%. All these are the one that we can choose. And then most importantly is the conversion ratio. So I don't want to get into any of it that is not sensitive to the price movement. Okay. Very high volume here for this candle. Okay, come back to this. Which one do I select? Of course, I'll go for a 2% one. Lower. 62 cents. 62 cents. Hmm, 1% is still okay. You can see the volume is still 3 billion when they are trading, so you don't have to worry that you can't sell it. In that case, I'll go for a cheaper one then. This one. We just have to wait. I'll put this here first in case later on when we have to change. So seems like they are not going higher than this area. So we have to, but so far, yes, the selling is here, but the selling is not that huge. So that's why I have not do any cut loss yet. I can show it to you here. This is a 1 minute chart. Hey, let me get rid of the line first. I don't want MA. No, 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 no. Hey, I'll get rid of this again. Don't want the moving average. I just need the volume. So we can see volume building up. I mean, price is a bit up, but not volume building up. Volume is high also, actually. So seems like the pusher is not that. Because selling is still going on. You can see the all this price down here is actually with quite a high volume. So it's when it's at the higher point like this, then nothing to worry about. Selling pressure is getting weaker, but here they are coming back a little bit. So I can't say that there's no selling. There is still some selling going on. Volume is not Okay, it is high, but not high enough to show that they are hitting the price peak. Let's see whether they can go through this area. So-called, everyone will always like to call it like a resistance, okay? But I don't usually use that as a resistance, draw a resistance line. Can they go through it? Can they do it? Can they move higher? Right now, they're giving a second try, and then third try, and then it's coming up soon. Okay, it's higher than the previous high. Right now, let's see whether they can sustain or not. And let's see. Okay, it's going up a bit more higher and slightly a bit more higher again. I'm not going to show this. Back to my the trade first. I scared later I might want to what do you call that? The take profit on that. Put enhance first. Put this. Wait. Let me check the volume. Not that. If today they need to, then they come back to here 1920, and go for another round. Maybe not 20, maybe not 25, maybe 24 something, and then go back down to 300 plus, because today they have already 1937 down to 19151, so it's about 150 point. 150, about 300 points. Okay, makes sense for today price movement. Hey, why doesn't show? Don't lag. Don't hang. Alright, it's a bit of first sign of showing price peak is coming up for this short-term price movement. Okay, 200 profit, then that's it. I'm just gonna take it. Alright. I'm just gonna take the 200 profit here. Okay. It's submitted, but it's not clear yet. Why I don't want to put it as the market here is because sometimes I don't want it to hit the... I scared later they throw it down to the bid price. What I will do is sometimes I'll do things like this. I say right now the asking price is 3.1, right? So I just put 3.0. So it will get filled immediately. So fill price is over 3.0. Nah. Oh, because there are people selling at no, there's no one selling at 3.0. The buyer will come in and buy it. The what do you call it? The issuer. because they need to do the market making. So from here we have I need 34, 3,000. So we sell at 30. Oh, okay. There are fees. So only 1 cent of price up, I'm able to sell it. Because I put it at 3.1. Never mind. Okay, let's see. The other one is able to make it at that point. So right now, the next thing we need to do is not going for a call right now. I'm waiting for it to go for a put, a bear contract. So just now I have put in one of it that is, I want to look at it. Is it this one? I think this is the one. Never mind, I find again. Hang Seng Index, warrants, and then I'm going to choose a put. So all these RC are the call. 1980 is the put, is the strike price. So this strike price is still okay. This strike price is still okay, still far away from it. Outstanding 3% is a bit too much. But well, ten thousand. Okay. Maybe I'll go for this one. 1%. 5.9. But this one cheaper. Okay, extra 2% of outstanding is still okay. 67654. Okay, is marked higher. We have seen a high volume here. Just need to time the entry for a reversal. So you might think I missed out this whole stretch of, I think, about how many cents of profit? 6, 1, 2, 3. It's only 2 cents of one or maybe 2 cents of profit if you convert into the price. So it's still okay, because right now is the market is actually in the bear market, the bear trend. Today, the bear trend is much more towards into the bear trend. So if let's say you have the profit, then just take it. I don't want to take the risk. Not to say I don't want to take the risk. I want to minimize the risk. Of course, the risk is there, so I don't want to risk it. Volume very high. Go higher. I would like that. This is 67654. Okay, this one. I just look into it right now. Six, 7, 6, 5, 4. Bear. Try. Correct, right? Okay. Wait for me. Oh no, I put enhanced limit. Market. I buy lah. We bought it at 5.9. Need to sell it first. Okay, our point of entry, I put here first, so I know later on where to see it. They're confirming moving up and down. Okay, so morning trade, we have about 34 Hong Kong dollar is made, not much, but looking at this, we are just we just want the price up like this. Okay, so of course just now we can see there's about like $100 of profits by right, but 64, because minimum is about $27, so in out is about like about 60. So it's better for you to trade at least maybe 20 lots out from that, so you can move up, because usually I don't do this kind of small trade. I will catch those at least like maybe 100 points. So 100 points, then it will have about 10 ticks for this. So 10 ticks if you are buying like 20 lots, so it means that you have about 200. So 200, you're confirm able to cover that, and you have about like $130+ of profit out from there. Okay, so because of the brokerage rate, so that's why I try not to go in for a much more bigger, shorter, or just taking profit of maybe 1 or 2 ticks. Okay, so that's why here. Okay, great. It doesn't seem like it shows that pause in price fall. All right, so it will be a long day down. All right, so I think this one will have a continuation of price down. So because today I see those stocks that is going down is 4%, 3%, or those and then 4%, 3%, and then even the bigger cap one is actually at the downside. Those that is up is 0.88. It's something like yesterday where most of the stock is actually up, going up like 4%, 3%. So today we have this thing over here, so it means that it's more likely to have towards downside. But of course, it might be different. It might be, I might be wrong at the end of the day. So we need to see how it goes. Okay, so again, if you want to follow the trades and also want to find out more about this CBBC, want to do this thing, every one of you to open a trading account with me with the QR code. Scan the QR code, or maybe go to my the description link to click on the account opening link. So once you have opened an account, do let me know, or drop me a text, or drop me a PM in Facebook, so I know that you are there, so I can add you into my my Telegram group. So if you have so that's very simple. So if you have any question on the account opening, so you can find us as also. So with the current, there's a promotion. If you enter, you deposit 1,000 ringgit minimum, you get a chance of making a getting a free shares, okay, up to 800 ringgit. So you can see from here, this Man United over here is the free shares. So it's 24 USD. So if you enter, if you deposit 1,000, then you get like 24 over here. So 24 is about like 8% of returns. Okay, but of course, the lowest one we find is actually the Snapchat. Snapchat is about 10 over USD. So in ringgit is about 40 over dollar. So 40 over ringgit. So you get about 4% in 7 days. So which is good, right? So open a trading account right now. Enjoy the promotion. At the same time, you get to learn and follow the CBBC trade that I'm going to share here. Okay, and lastly, remember to give us a like and also subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss any of our future live stream are coming up. Okay, thank you. I'll see you guys again in next week, or maybe tomorrow I'll do another round of sharing. And if you have any question, feel free to comment in the comment section, and or any other videos that you would like us to talk about, then we try our best to do it. Okay, thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.